Kyle with Simple Stories. We're live at the Mixed Media event, and I want to show you a couple new collections. So this one is Merry and Bright, and it is a really fun, kind of traditional color Christmas collection. Lots of great patterns, florals, plaids. One of the things that we're most excited about with that collection is the holiday binder. So those of you that are doing your December daily type albums, it's a gorgeous holiday binder, and it comes with lots of goodies inside. So your pages and your pocket pages. And then of course, all the fun goodies and embellishments that go with it. And that's Merry and Bright. All right, now we have Forever Fall. You guys, this is such a beautiful fall collection. It's got some unexpected pops of pink and light blue in it, which I think just makes it such a really fun kind of different twist on a fall collection. So lots of gorgeous colors and patterns. Of course, you have some of your iconic little creatures like foxes and birds, non-creatures like acorns and leaves. But the pink in there is it's something that I think is such a great pop with the plaids. And there's also a really great kind of really dark denim blue that's a little bit distressed. It even has kind of that yellow denim stitching that we're used to seeing. So that is Forever Fall, and that is shipping to retailers in early August, so you'll see it very soon. All right, you guys, a brand new design aesthetic for Simple Stories. This is called Simple Vintage Christmas. And basically, we're taking vintage and making it simple for you. Beautiful traditional icons, colors, and you have that really nice kind of vintage feel that's just super heartwarming for the holidays. And so many great embellishments here. Lots of different die cuts, number die cuts, washi, chipboard embellishments, and then stickers galore. This would be great for your holiday cards, your scrapbooks, your planners, and of course your December daily type projects. So it's just a beautiful, if you love vintage, you want to take a look at Simple Vintage Christmas because it would be the perfect collection to scrapbook your holiday with this year. And last but not least, we have Simple Vintage Halloween. So again, it's that really fun, cool, vintage vibe in a Halloween collection. So you have your classic Halloween colors in red and black with some really great kind of distressed patterns mixed in as well. Just a really great Halloween collection. I can see making so many different altered projects with this, regardless of the age of your kids, whether you have kids or not, but it would make some really great fun Halloween decorations. And you of course have the classic jack-o'-lanterns and witches and cats and more. That is also shipping to retailers in early August, so stay tuned.